A social sciences research paper is unique because it investigates human behavior, society, or social systems using empirical evidence, structured methodology, and critical analysis, often aiming to understand patterns, causes, and consequences within the social sphere. They delve into human behavior, societal structures, empirical evidence, theory-driven analysis, and research-driven study that is both quantitative and qualitative. These papers explore topics like inequality, mental health, and identity and rely on original data collected through surveys or observations. Emphasis is on clarity, objectivity, and evidence-based writing. Social science research helps us understand people, behavior, and society through careful observation, data collection, and analysis. Social science research is grounded in theoretical frameworks. For example, concepts like cognitive dissonance help us analyze behavior patterns, like social learning theory, cognitive dissonance, symbolic interactionism. To ensure clarity and consistency, APA 7th edition is essential, or at least whatever is the current edition of the APA Citation Style Guide is required. Just remember your professor or publisher may have unique requirements of your paper in terms of your citation style application. APA, the American Psychological Association, standardizes formatting within text citations and a complete reference list. Most social science papers follow the IMRaD structure, or where the letter I, M, R, and D stand for Introduction, Methods, Results, and Discussion. To be clear, Introduction identifies the research question and background. Method explains how data was collected. Results presents findings, often with statistics or quotes. Discussion interprets results, connects to theory, and explores implications. This structure clearly outlines the research question and findings. Because social sciences involve such human-centered research, ethics are crucial because it often involves human subjects, so ethics plays a central role in all social science papers. Informed consent and confidentiality must always be prioritized. By extension, citing sources accurately is vital in academic writing. Use the author date format for in-text citations and reference lists. Use academic databases to find peer-reviewed sources. If conducting original research, describe your methodology clearly: who, what, how, and why. Citing sources accurately is vital in academic writing. Structure your paper with clear sections: an introduction with a thesis or research question, a methods section that explains how you gathered your data, followed by results and a thoughtful discussion. Explain what your findings mean. How do they connect to the research question? What are the limitations, and what future research is needed? Revise your paper for clarity and flow. Double-check that your citations, headings, and references follow APA style. Clear, well-organized writing is key to impactful social science research. With strong research, careful structure, and proper APA formatting, your social science paper can contribute meaningfully to how we understand people and society. Finally, remember to revise your paper for clarity and flow. Revision is a key part of all research writing, including in the social sciences. Strong research and proper APA formatting can make a meaningful impact.